So why am I here in India? To speak at PowerShell Conference Asia 2019.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
So in past years, this conference was held in Singapore. Singapore is an amazing destination. As a matter of fact, I gain weight while I'm in Singapore because there's such a variety of cultural food to choose from, and you don't have to worry about food preparation standards or hygiene issues. We also did not have to pass bomb-sniffing dogs and metal detectors to enter our hotel. Yes, our hotel here in Bangalore is very nice, but we are also in a secure compound. What India has that we are lacking in Singapore are the participants.
So, who's ready to do this?
The best part of this conference is the participants, and it is now time for me to go on stage and do my thing.
Morning, everybody. I'm Jason Yoder. Welcome to PowerShell Conference Asia 2019 here in the Microsoft offices in Bengaluru, India. So I'm preparing to deliver my workshop called Zero to Hero, and in about an hour this room is going to fill up with about 60 IT rock stars coming in here to learn the fundamentals of PowerShell and how to take it to the next level.
So for the rest of the day, I had a great time. The participants were fully engaged and asked some amazing questions that really challenged me. That was awesome.
Second session, getting a good crowd.
One of the participants walked up to me during a break to let me know that he is one of my subscribers on this channel. That made my day.
Well, off to the speakers dinner tonight. I am very tired, don't really want to go, but you know, a lot of these people I see once a year, so it's, you know, nice to catch up with everybody and also be able to get out of this hotel. So yeah, let's go see what a conference speakers dinner looks like.
If we're leaving the hotel, that means another round of traffic.
Look at the other side of the street. Oh my God.
We are heading to the Hoot Cafe and Brewery, which is just 2 miles away from the hotel. That comes out to about a 45-minute drive in Bangalore time.
There's one big traffic jams on 8 lanes at least.
There is a striking contrast between what we have been experiencing these past few days and the world inside of this club.
Alright, after the last few days of dirt, filth, poverty, this is a little unexpected.
This event is letting me get a glimpse of a side of Indian culture that I did not know even existed. It is a far cry from the extremes of the garbage-strewed streets outside and the Bollywood dreams we see on TV. It is also really loud.
This helps. Alright, come back here. You guys remember the video from Singapore? My buddy Sebastian's back.
This also gave me a great opportunity to hang out with my 2 buddies from overseas, Sebastian and Milton. This is not really my type of an environment, and as Jeff, another good friend of mine, put it, when we left, the average age of the club dropped by about 10 years.
Nice thing about this hotel, transportation over to Microsoft.
The last day of the conference was full of goodbyes and group photos and one last unique adventure.
Alright everybody, conference is over. Gonna have a little bit of fun. We're taking a rickshaw back to the hotel. Just to familiarize everybody with the safety features of the rickshaw. None.
almost back to the hotel. All right, we survived a rickshaw. The ride wasn't that bad because traffic is down being Saturday. But yesterday? Oh, no.
All right, so my reason for being here in India is now over. The conference has come to an end. Did have a great time seeing a lot of my friends that come here and speak every year at this conference. And also had a chance to talk a little bit more with some of the participants because they were asking me, how do I like Bengaluru? And I'm polite but honest, and they completely understood my struggles because they said, yes, it is very hard living here, but they asked me not to judge India based on any of India's cities. They said if I really wanted to go out and photograph and see the true beauty of India, I've got to leave the city to do so. So, looks like I may have an opportunity or two to come back. Made some great business contacts here, so I might be back to deliver some training here. The conference organizers have asked me to come back and put on another workshop. They said they heard nothing but great things, so that's good news. So it looks like one way or another I'm going to be coming back to India, and hopefully with a little bit better experience than what I had here this time around. So I told them I'm going to reserve judgment on India for a later date when I've actually had a chance to see more than just the city. So anyhow, guys, if you are from this area and have a recommendation for me, kind of check out a few of my other videos so you get a feel for the type of photography that I like to do, and then leave a comment on this video or on those other videos and let me know of the places where you believe that I should go to capture some beautiful images of India. Thank you guys for watching. Click that subscribe button, ring that bell so you get notifications when I post new videos, which I do twice a week. I would also appreciate a thumbs up and a comment if you like. And remember, never stop exploring. See y'all next time.